Good afternoon, beautiful people. Welcome back to Young Money Investing. I got another trading recap for you today. It has been several days. I don't think I've posted one at all this week, so this will be the first trading recap. It's been a relatively quiet week for me. There really has not been a lot of opportunities for me, so I have mostly just been sitting on the sidelines watching the markets and not doing anything. And, there are going to be periods like that. There are going to be times where there's not great setups, there's not great opportunities, and you have to have the patience and the emotional maturity as a trader to be okay with that, to be okay sitting on the sidelines and not jumping in and out of poor trades, which is something that I've struggled with in the past. I'm sure, most traders out there have struggled with some form of that. But that's definitely something I've struggled with. So, this is kind of proof that the process is working, that I'm improving and maturing as a trader. So, good for me. If you enjoy this content, please go click that subscribe button and let's jump into the trade. All right, we are looking at a 15-minute time frame on the micro gold contract. The ticker symbol is MGC. You can see this one's a little bit different. It is actually currently still open. I am up $67 and the stop loss is $25. Take profit is down here. That's going to be $176. So the premise here was pretty simple. You see we had this really sharp sell-off from this resistance area up here. Huge sell-off all the way down. If I had been awake at about 5:30, 6 o'clock looking at charts, I probably could have caught this and that would have been a massive trade. But I wasn't able to, so I took my time, waited till we got this retracement up to a 0.38 fib retracement in confluence with this previous support zone. As you can see, 1, 2, back over here, 3, 4, a couple of times we've touched it. We broke through it, so I sold on the confluence of the 0.38 fib retracement and this support line turning into resistance. Moved down, this first move down moved more than halfway towards my take profit, and so I did actually cut my risk in half. It was originally a $50 stop loss, and then I cut it to 25, just kind of chilling a little bit above this 50-day moving average, this 3A retracement, and this support resistance area. So, if price action does come back up and we get a retracement to maybe a 50% or a 618, something like that, I'm okay taking that loss. I do want to see this, maybe see another retest before we do get the move down to my take profit, but ultimately I do think that this will be a profitable trade. Take profit is the -2.5 extension on the Fibonacci, which also is the low from back over here, May 5th. I think it's a solid take profit. I think that we can definitely reach it. You can see price action just kind of going sideways right now. Volume has largely dried up. New York session is closed. And so there might be some type of spike later on in the day for me when Hong Kong or something opens up. But I think this is solid right now. Obviously, I'm risking $25 and attempting to make 176. So what is that? That is a factor of 7 reward to risk. Even when I was, risking $50, that was still 3.5 to 1. So either way, absolutely phenomenal setup here. You can see why I took this trade. 3.5 is a great risk to reward ratio, and 7 is obviously even better. So I will keep you guys updated as this trade continues to move. If it hits take profit, I might put out a short depending on if I'm awake or not. And I'll see you guys next time. So until then, peace out, homies.